Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Driver Refuses Orders, Police Discover Much More.
Police conduct a traffic stop on a vehicle for an improper stop after the driver appears to be deliberately avoiding them.
Hi.
Hello.
Officer Ricchetti, Fruitland Park Police Department. Reason for the stop, you stopped me on the white bar at the stop sign. What are you doing?
Well, I was supposed to pick up a friend and he hasn't answered me, so he was supposed to send me the address, it was the wrong address, and I told him I was here, and then he didn't answer me, so I was about to leave.
So why did you turn into the driveway back there?
That was the address he sent me.
Really?
Yeah.
What was that street?
Well, I don't remember now, but you know how you send somebody your location?
Right.
That's where it put me around.
Okay. Is there anything in the vehicle I need to be aware of? Any guns, drugs, weapons?
No, nothing but a lot of stuff, because I've been moving. I've got like a train table back here, and my son's sleeping in the back.
I got you. Would you consent to a search?
To my vehicle?
Yeah.
I mean, I suppose, but that seems a little unnecessary.
I ask for consent on every stop.
I mean, do I have to give you consent?
No.
Then I'd rather not, just because my son's sleeping back there.
Okay. Do you have your license?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Do you have the registration insurance?
I do not in my car currently, no.
Okay.
But this is under my insurance. It's in my name.
I got you. What was the friend you were going to see?
His name's Jonathan.
Jonathan? What's his last name?
I just met him and stuff.
You just met him? Where at?
Mutual friends. I mean, that's...
Your story just isn't making sense.
There's not much of a story to have had there. I just come to... Because literally I was coming to hang out with him for the first time. I mean, like, we've seen each other through friends, and that's...
But the address you pulled up is a completely different address.
I didn't even pull up the address, so I don't know what you mean.
You did.
No,
the last address that you...
No.
See, that one right there.
Those are just recent. That doesn't mean that's...
Well, if you pulled up an address recently...
I clicked on a send me your location. You know, when you send somebody your location, It doesn't send you an address.
Well,
it sends you a marked pin.
It sends you a marked pin, and that would be the last one you're going to if you were using your GPS. I'm just saying your story doesn't make sense. Just give me 1 sec.
Listen. She on point. Listen. A lady can't get over on a lady cop now. She gonna be on point. Lady cop, she gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm telling you. I say it all the time. If you're new to the channel, then you never heard me say it, so forget it. But if you a lady and you're getting pulled over or you're coming in contact with law enforcement, you better hope it's a male officer, man. If you gonna get you a female officer, she gonna get you together. You know what I'm saying? They go at it. The ladies go at it. Y'all know. You know what I'm saying. You know, the ladies that's watching, you know, in your friend group, in your little group, y'all ladies be, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be catty, go at it with each other. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is. But you better off trying to get a male officer, getting a male officer, because maybe you might be able to sweet talk him. Okay? Listen, we all human. You might be able to sweet talk him. You get a lady cop and you a lady, your ass is grass.
Hey, she denied consent. Her story isn't making any sense. Her story makes 0 sense. She turned on Lake Josephine and pulled into a driveway, so I turned around on Lake Josephine and then sat on the other, on Miller, and waited for her to come out. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna have you step out for me.
You're cooked.
Okay. And then just stand at the front of my vehicle.
Oh, your vehicle?
Yeah.
What's that white powder there?
Yeah, what is that white powder?
Don't touch it.
I have was wearing makeup. What do you mean?
What's all over your dress?
I have two kids.
All that white stuff there.
Oh, it's the ashes from my cigarette.
And you was dressed for something underneath it.
I'm the female with the onesie on, the onesie. It's very uncomfortable.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Oh, put your hands up here. Your hands come off again if you're in handcuffs. Keep your hands on this bar.
Is there anything illegal in the car?
You don't have anything on you, right? No? Do you mind if I just search you real quick?
The way that it works is if my dog alerts to the odor of narcotics in a car and we don't find any narcotics in the car,
What are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
it's reasonable for us to assume that you may be in possession of narcotics.
So, based on your actions, you sit in the driver's seat, you were tucking something under your skirt.
Literally,
Which also is...
So before she does this, I'm going to ask you this. And like
Hold on now. What she was tucking? Hold on.
For us to assume the way it works is if my dog alerts to the odor of narcotics in a car and we
Oh, look at her hand. Look at her hand. Look at her hand. Look at her hand in her pants. Oh, yeah. She's shady.
No? Do you mind if I just search you real quick?
the way that it works is if my dog alerts to the odor
Look at her
of
hand in her
narcotics
pants.
and we don't find any
What are you
narcotics in the
doing?
car,
What are you
Oh,
doing?
sorry.
it's reasonable for us to assume that you may be in possession of narcotics.
So, based on your actions, you sit in the driver's seat, you were tucking something under your skirt.
Literally,
Which also is...
So before she does this, I'm going to ask you this. And like I said, I don't care. It's not my traffic stop. But I will tell you, just moving forward from an outsider looking in, honesty is the best policy. Because if you have something little, we can always have a conversation about it. And worst case scenario, you get a ticket going about your day. But and again, it's important that you know I'm not accusing you of anything. I'm not saying that you're doing anything wrong at all. But
I just need the answer. Do I have to?
yes,
let
you
her
do.
search me
It's
out?
not an option.
Okay.
There is no yes or no.
Let's come over here in front of the tour car.
With the lots back.
Put your hand in the bar.
And then spread your feet like you're doing the splits.
As far as you don't get from there.
There's still room in your dress to split.
It's not the dress. It's the onesie I had on. It's one of those bodysuits.
It's a bodysuit you have a bra under it?
Yes.
Hypothetically speaking, it's very hypothetical. If you were to go to any reading and they put you through an X-ray scanner, a very, very expensive X-ray scanner that can see through your body, is there anything on or inside of your body that you're not?
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
No, but that's a pretty out there hypothetical question.
You'd be surprised.
Yep. Stop it. Stop
Yep.
it.
Uh-oh.
It's not.
Uh-oh.
Listen.
Please.
Based on your actions, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
You're cooked.
You're trying to hide it, number one.
You're going to say honesty was
I know, but I just
why lie about it?
I don't even know what's inside of it.
Yes, they should
I just wish you would have been honest about it because that would have
Ooh, big knots. Ooh. Ooh.
Literally just called me too and was like, look, that orange bag on there, can you just...
Yeah, she had it in between her legs.
Good amount.
So she waited until I passed and turned the opposite direction. So I turned around, and then as soon as I turn around, she turns onto Lake Josephine, right? And then she goes down Lake Josephine and pulls into a driveway. And so I turn around and go out and black out on Miller.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Ow, goddamn! I just wanted to check my phone. There's literally a
these
flat
extras
habit, my
got me.
bad.
Here, just
I'm sorry.
You don't get all
Okay,
these
I got
cuffs,
it.
you hear me?
All right. Ow. don't have to.
Now they gonna go on even. Now they gonna
You're
go
under
on
arrest
even
for
harder.
resisting an officer.
I didn't
If you do
mean
anything
to.
else, you're going to catch another charge. It's in your best interest to stop doing stupid shit. Otherwise, I'm going to have DCF come pick up your kid.
Take that cuff
Stop
off.
doing this game. You're not going to win. You don't control. Stop. You don't control what goes on.
Make sure the cuffs are
So
on me.
stop doing what you're doing. I will not tell you again. I've done nothing but respect you, and that ship's about to sail.
Does anybody have like a big key? Is there anything else on you?
No, there's
Because
not, ma'am. I know, I understand.
no,
the
like you said
situation.
that before.
I
and
know, and I panicked.
And I'm not
I've
an
never been
idiot.
in this situation before, so I do apologize. Can I please sit down in the car? Because I'm fucked either way.
Okay, so there's nothing on you that the jail would
there's
find.
nothing on me.
Okay. Just so you're aware.
All right.
Someone get the dog, Taylor.
I have somebody who can pick him up.
Okay, sit down and I'll get the number for you.
They're Wildwood.
Sit down and I'll get the number for you.
I should have known better. That really is my fault.
Put your feet in.
Oh boy.
The trafficking?
Yeah, that's big knots, boy. Woof.
These are just empty plastic baggies.
My child.
Yeah, that is.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, who is it that can come get your kid?
Hey, get the 39th to the 14th, too.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, guess who he was meeting? Jonathan Patrick Lucas. I knew it.
That's who I said that. Literally, that's what I'm
Does he
saying.
wanna come up here?
If you guys will let me go home, I will tell you where he is. I swear to God.
Supposed to be the man.
It was literally the street that I was on before.
Poinsettia.
And he
Oh,
told me,
she
he said,
ready to-
"Listen, 'cause I don't
She ready to give up everything. She said, if you let me go, I'm gonna tell you where he at. I got the whole info for you. Like, she ready to cut a deal. They ain't even gotta get her in the interrogation room and give her some McDonald's or nothing. She ready to go. Like, oh, I got this info for you. I know you need it. Like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that whoever that dude, Jonathan Luke, you're cooked. She ready to, oh man, she said, I'll tell you everything if you let me go.
That's who I said that. Literally, that's what I'm
Does he
saying.
wanna come up here?
If you guys will let me go home, I will tell you where he is. I swear to God.
Supposed to be the man.
It was literally the street that I was on before.
Poinsettia.
And he told
Damn.
me, he said, listen, because I don't know him. He told me, please. He's like, just take that and take it and hide it. And I panicked. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that that's what that
Your
happened.
actions, you have
I
knowledge.
understand. No, it's just, no, because he told me to hide it, so I thought, I didn't know what to think.
I would have thrown it out the freaking window.
He's on a bike. Where is it?
Is he on a bike? Is he supposed to be on a bike?
No,
Okay.
because I dropped him off right here earlier. It's
What?
not mine, it's his.
What's he? Is he in a car?
No, I was his ride.
Where'd you drop him off at?
The street before the one, which street is that with the lights that looks like a dentist?
Oh, he's cooked.
It was Poinsettia.
Yeah, Poinsettia.
The air, that was where she was turning around.
Does that mean
No, you're not getting out of this, but
it's proof that's not mine because I can't. You don't.
no, it's
understand.
not proof that it's not yours because
He left it in here. I know. I can't.
So I need a number for who we're calling.
Kim. Her name's Kim.
Who is she to you?
She's. I'm sweating like a pig.
Who is she to you?
She is my ex-mother-in-law, and she's just who can pick up this kid right now.
Is that okay?
Yes. I'm already going through DCF right now. She's literally
Is she the
on the
grandma?
garden. She's.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay.
Just-
Kim, right there.
Yes. Oh God.
I knew she was doing something sketchy. I was starting to doubt myself.
Where am I?
You are
You
at the
should've
corner of
presented-
Cutoff and Miller on
Mystic
466A.
ice cream.
Hey, you're gonna fucking hate me, but you're gonna have to come to and pick up
Mystic
Manny.
ice cream.
Mystic ice cream, like
Fruitland
in
Park.
Fruitland Park, and just pick up Manny. I'm getting arrested. Why are you getting arrested? Because I had somebody in my
Drugs.
car for a stupid reason. Alright, thank you.
Okay, well, I'm
She was arrested on May 8th for meth trafficking between 28 and 200 grams, possession of paraphernalia, and resisting without violence. The judge appointed her a public defender after she qualified as indigent. She entered not guilty pleas, but her early request to reduce bail was denied and her bond stayed in place. Nearly 2 months later, on July 1st, she finally made bond, posting $50,000 on the trafficking charge and smaller bonds on the others. Since then, she's been out of custody while her case continues through plea negotiations, hearings, and upcoming motions.
Cooked. Ooh wee. Yeah, she's cooked. She ready to tell on everybody. She said, I get caught, everybody going down. She said, if I get caught, everybody going down. I'm telling I know everything. But yeah, man. Stupid choices, man. But anyway, I think the cops did a pretty good job, man. Honestly, I think they was treating her the best that they could. In the beginning, you know, now I don't know why they kept letting her dig in her pants and all that. Like, you see her, like, I would have, like, when she digging in her, grab her wrist, take her hands out. You know what I mean? Like, you can't just let them just try to stuff and everything. Yeah, eventually you did catch it and everything, but I'm just saying, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna get a cops let's see, it's between 3 and 4, man. I'm gonna give a 3. I would give a 4 just because, you know, they kept letting her dig in her pants, you know, so I'm gonna give it 3. So 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.